I'm Cameron Douglas, Master Sommelier, and I'm here with JSS, which is the Japanese Sake and Shochu Makers Association. And we're here for a fabulous and what is a rather unique evening here in Auckland, because we've got some wonderful guests coming, but they're also here for an enlightening evening about what sake is all about, how it's made, the different styles, the grades, the rice polishing, the flavors, the aromas, temperature of service, and how to enjoy something that isn't mainstream in New Zealand. Sake should be part of that mainstream beverage experience in restaurants, and it's currently not. So that's what makes this evening a little bit more interesting, because we're now giving people the opportunity to consider that as an aperitif, as a main course beverage, as a dessert beverage as well. So, welcome. More humbled by the fact that we can even come together in such a way on this occasion. This is what Sauvignon Blanc is to Marlborough, Sake is to Japan, the breweries, what represents as a classic style. Yes. Sake is something that you get to know and that you get to enjoy, and you very quickly decide the ones that you like, and after 10 of them, the world of sake is now wide open